Hello, this is MK Uswa, the Pidgin English coach, and in this quick video, I have another Pidgin English word for you. Yes, today's episode is about a Pidgin English phrase. It is now very popular all over Nigeria and some parts of West Africa, and then you likely see this in some of the comic video. There are some comedians, Nigerian comedians, who use this. One of them is Solo, somebody called Solo. He uses this a lot, and it is he gets why. He get why. He get why. He get why means there is a reason why. So if you know, anytime you're saying he get as he be, there's a way it is. Alright, so you get why means there is a reason why. So if you're talking to somebody and they're trying to ask for something, you can say, for a good example can be, I beg, give me that money for your pocket. You get why I won't collect that money. So yeah, what I'm saying is that please, can you give me the money in your pocket? There's a reason why I want to get the money from you. So you get why I won't call you now. You get why I won't see you now. There's a reason why I want to see you right now. So next time you want to say something, and you're trying to say there's a reason why, make sure you use "it get why." Alright? And don't forget, if you want to learn pidgin well, you understand? So that if they speak pidgin to everybody around you, maybe you should your bobo will like you well, or should you feel impressed your Nigerian girlfriend. I have a comprehensive training, audio, a video, and a Kindle book. Head straight to pidginenglishschool.com.ng. You'll be able to get access to that resource. If you get something we want I do for you for this video, tell me. If you like this video, also share and like and also subscribe. Hit the subscription button, hit the notification button, and you go to receive notification when I do another video. You understand? So if there's something you want me to do in the video, if there's a question you have, go ahead and do it in the comments, and I'll do my best to do another video. Don't forget, if you want to learn this thing fast, go get the audio program, go get the ebook, go get the Kindle book, go get the video. Thank you. See you next time, and bye-bye.